Very excited about this pigment launch. It's included only 4 colors. This is all you need for all your clients, blonde to brunettes and even redheads. When developing the pigments, we're always taking into consideration how we can manufacture the product to achieve always natural, beautiful results. It's designed to work on all Fitzpatrick skin types. You can use it straight or can be mixed. You can use this pigment for powder eyebrow techniques, for hair stroke with machine or manual devices. Also, we reduce percentage of carbon black to make sure that we're always getting this nice result with natural use. The formula already pre-diluted and pre-modified, so you always get this nice consistency. Leaving the guesswork behind, artists can always rely on this product and, of course, perfect heel results. This pigment set is a dream come true to all artists because only with this pigment you can get predictable results. No more blue hues, no more green, grayish, blue. Get that results you've been looking for.